Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep. Here I'm share about how we can customize our theme and create our own. So far we have completed our theme. So now we are working on extra features of theme. So today we are going to work on the filtering image. So just a second, let me open my. I just created this product, and right now we have images for each color, and we have these options. So we are working on this one. So whenever you are going to change this one, so we want to show only green images, and if I select yellow, then yellow ones, not all images. So before any delay, let's start working on this. Okay, so let me take my pull of my latest theme. So for that we have to do one thing. We have to do theme, not theme, Shopify theme pull, and in this pull we need our themes ID, which is this one, or we can get by list. So this will list all the themes we have. Right now we have two themes, so I'm going to copy this one and let's say theme pull in same folder. Theme ID will be, I just copied this one and enter, and this will pull my latest code from my store. So it's done. So next thing is I'm going to serve this one. Oops, I misspelled this one. SCRVE, serve. By the way, we can, where is it? And this is our commands, we can use them. So delete one, you can delete this one. Init is for new theme, and language serve. So if we want to open this in different language, the list is this one. Open will be this will open my theme in browser. Package, publish for publish, pull, push, serve, and share. You can check this one on Shopify dev. So I think that's all. So once it's completed, we are going to work on this one, and before that I want to add a new library, which is this one. And this will since we are using owl carousel, we need this library. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this or download this one. Okay, just let's copy this one. Let's say owl. We have vendor. Yep, we have vendor.js. In this vendor.js, I'm going to find my owl. Okay, so this one is a owl, you can see. So I'm going to put my library after this one. Here my owl is completed, and I'm going to add this code here. Okay, let's give it a name. Let's say owl carousel filter. Okay, so that's done. Save this one. After this one, by the way, I will put this link in description. So if you want to add, you can add this one. The next thing is we have to open my app.js, I think. Yep, that's app.js. Or let's check where we added our owl carousel. I think I added this on section. Let's open my product template. If I'm not wrong, yep, here we got our section. Here we got the owl carousel initialized. So next thing, I'm going to add an option here. There is it. Let's add it here. First thing will be ID. ID will be enable filter. Also label will be enable filter, and type will be checkbox, and save this now. So what I'm going to do, I want to do one thing. Where is it? I'm going to print this one. Over here. So let's check what we got now. Oops, my mistake. I'm checking on this wrong one. Okay, now it's working. So we are on right track. And next thing, I want to restrict this one. So let's say I'm going to use Shopify if section dot settings dot enable filter. Then else, and after that, and if. Okay, then the next thing I want to do, I want to filter this on my selection. So what we have right now, we have these images with data ID. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace this one. Let's go to thumbnails, this one, and let's say this one, alt, and save again. So let's check now. I think let's keep this one out for the time being and save again. Okay, so we can't use JS here, sorry, liquid here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add what was that? Let's add here data filter is equal to section dot settings dot enable okay. So now we got value. So what I'm going to do is if is equal to true, then we will perform our function here. Else nothing. So we are going to filter what we say items here. So before that we need our value. I'm going to check value of this one. So what I'm going to say, let's say variant value jQuery this dot val and value of this. Let's console this one over here. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so let's check why it's not showing. Let's say true. So we don't need this one. And save again. Okay, so I misspelled true. Save again and check now. Okay, so now it's working now. The next thing we have to assign images to our product. Go to product, show by newly created, and here I'm going to assign my colors. So for blue, let's say blue. Okay, so we have added alt tag to all of this. So next thing we have to do, let's close this one and this one also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to filter the items. Is saying on click this one. And then this dot data filter. Then it's saying owl. Where is owl? Okay, so here's our owl. So what we have to do, we have to assign this to a variable. Let's put everything in here, so we can make this work. Let's say const slider equal to copy slider it's saying data filter all. Instead of doing this, I'm going to do dot. Let's copy this one and paste here. What we have is this one. And replace with variant ID. And save again. So as you can see, we got only red one. So if I'm going to scroll this one, there will be only red images. If I go to green, this will show only green images. And if I go to yellow, this will show only yellow ones. So I think that's all for today. So before I go, let's push the changes on my live theme. So what I'm going to do, let's close this one. Instead of pull, let's say push. This will push my changes on my live theme. It's asking this theme is live, do you want to make the changes on live or not? So I'm going to say yes. Okay, so that's it. So by the way, I just also made got so many requests for the source code. I just added the code on GitHub, so I will add the link of GitHub repository also. So if anybody interested, they can get my code from there. So that's all for today. Please do subscribe and share so that grow like you all are growing. So I will come with next new idea and will share. Till then, keep coding, be awesome.